Mama wakwaba wofreme adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghanafo bia omo Twitter akekom adwen e de akere omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama a enya asem keto akra. Ensem bia Ghanafo bi eka e de ekere omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ina ne se Nenyo manpani dada John Dramani Mahama ena oye state man no. Enyo manpani dada John Dramani Mahama ena NDC fuayi no se onye flag bearer enfema NDC opposition party kese e wo Ghana hanome no. O manpani dada John Dramani Mahama sufre Ghana for se nyame ya adoma 2024 ye ma na kwanya no sanso bedi yen so. Se ni pei eda sebio ensemfun bi sei efinanum e banana enna saade 2024 akonya na yenye mfema because oba enya de papa bi na oba baye ede ama o man Ghana na ebusuafo denti na Ghanafo bi aka ensemwe ede akere omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama. Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ede ne comments aba afa eye na no NDC youths a omukoshia ne office cantonment ede nsekan impontin by tie ede niama NDC youth ne do call Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne office no enya sem keto akra na ensema na omo ka na omo kire se NPP fo ye member omo nsunso omo weapons na ne omo fenhie e wo Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne office no omo twetwe omo ni na politics nti na sensem ye course Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama e de ne comment aba afa ho ene ne nam so a Ghanafo bi akekom adwen e de akere no na anyenti Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama e de ne reply aba enam so a Ghanafo bi akekom adwen e de akere ni na ne se eye his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo abra sa suban no NDC youth no eda ne di no oba out e be condemn say 2024 de enya dia abato ye ba beto no NDC fo moyo ma adwen say mo de tatashe mode basa ye besi dia na mo boa enya de beba so nde anasa wo chena Omanpani his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e de morning kese paaba na ensema his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e kan no e no Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama so abema no reply say papa uni right bia say wo kasa ensem mesisi wo Ghana ha bia ni wo be kan sa e ba ne se na we nkwa da obema comment e wo ho nti ensem Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama e de ma his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo reply no e na Ghanafo bi esusu se ensese Omanpani dada wo ye statement wo kasa sa na ebusuafo dan e na akofa ensem we na aba ye na ya ate airbus ho sema e wo Ghana ha no e ne NDC amayoko no omo wo power no omo kodi dwa e wa amanone okoto aeroplane ho niama sika ne bi kokei se tire mba se stia no mokoto e no moto ni tu e ne ye nti be kire a omo e kire se e government official one bi e no kodi se edwa no asa corruption no e bata no ho na eno e na NPP amayoko na Ghanafo bi mpo so e kire se government official one de na yo Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama e no mo de tag no Omanpani dada so meyina no na ye hu sa asem na yampa anese yampa na eno e na owura owusu bempa eye abo apapo o kire se mo be demonstration e de akọ special prosecutor no office wo fi ho obema ache aba Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no office e wo cantonment abaye o ye kire ne se government official one no meya no ne ye ni so tie so ya no a ene na special prosecutor so why an investigation then omo a prosecuting na dia na sa eye demonstration ya NPP fo ekoyi NDC fo se ene na sume se yen leader no koye demonstration a kire no na so wa bokron no a mo fa ne kokote na ne office de mo koye de wo ho ene NDC fo so se ene omo de pontin by sekan e ba akohia NPP fo akwakoye cleaning exercise o Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne office na ni besi wo ho esi ene na anu ampa Thursday ye etwa bi NDC youth no ekọ ho de nse kan ebusuafo video ne na etwa bu no ye wo kire wo ho show your weapon mo ye member politics nti mo etwa mo ho ene NPP fo no omo akoye mo cleaning exercise ewie me ye sure say bi NPP fo no so ba akoye mo demonstration ebi mo kire se hu hia sa abo apapo mo be come Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne office mo fi se wa bokro no a Monfa ne court and as a special prosecutor and an investigation. No one pended an office de shade in Yabiasa. saa na bi mo ekeka na de a na wasense me hu na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo abe condemn actor e course so na no no mampenda da John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo abe condemn actor e course so na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo e condemn act ni wie no mampenda da John Dramani Mahama o train ne phone no typing also any near be one penny His Excellency Usha so me there ebusuafo yenti nsem o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama etro ede eto ne Twitter page John Dramani Mahama and Okase and I quote, "This is a bit rich coming from a president who superintended the mayhem at Ayawaso West Wogon and has not had a word of sympathy for the family of our 8 compatriots who died from state-sponsored violence in the 2020 elections." Inti ensem way eno manpenda da John Dramani Mahama ede eto ne Twitter page o kire se His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo o se no hwan ene na no 2020 abe ayeto ewo Ayawaso yi o sponsor nkrofo ena wo sheda ku adehemba 8 nipa 8 ne wi wenti mi amba out and be kashe and be sympathize with them eba ne say na kakra action kakra NDC fo koye yi obekasa na no e na Ghana fu bin so ama no reply enti reply Ghana fu bin so e de ama we amoa e na o kire say what is wrong is wrong, 2 wrongs doesn't make it right. The fact that he sat and watched something like that happened and didn't comment doesn't mean it should be encouraged. Violence brings nothing but pain and distress in a society. Okay, we Ghana ni na ochre say former president na Wajimi Sano Nkwasia Kasa say na when so I follow back immediately and ochre say no wonder you have nothing better to show for after occupying all these important positions. Shame on you. And I went so Albert Nat and na Bongo Ideas and then they were here or say the comparison is not needed. Just acknowledged the fact that he has condemned the action. And I went so Buhari and I say wow, this is coming from John Mahama. Mahama is indeed evil. I was told he didn't want to hand over power when he lost in 2016 election. I also NDC. It took one king to get him to accept the defeat. Mahama is a criminal. And then when so God is the greatest. And what you say, Kurasini statesman. So you are happy about that nonsense they did. And who do you think Zan threatened in this country? That nonsense you did in Abomusu Etiwa, what did you do about it? This election, we are all ready, especially Etiwa. Bring those fools again. And I went so bra and what you say. You have not tell us the reason why you want to become president again. Do you have a reason? No, you want to come and get more money just like you did in your first term. There's nothing left in you that can do for Ghana. You and Nanado, no difference. Okay, into any in some way, and a Ghana fubi I can't a day actual man penny that John Dramani Mahama abroad in a reply about out.